Data Analytics Training in Chennai. Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Enhancing Business Understanding, with data-focused courses. Introduction to Data Science Programs. Transform your career prospects in Data Analysis and Certification course in Data Science, opening doors to exciting opportunities in the dynamic field of data science. The role of data scientists in business. The pivotal role of data scientists is to explore data in driving organizational success. Identify the value of data insight in making well-informed business decisions, ranging from optimizing marketing tactics to accelerating supply chain processes. Curriculum of delve into the 9-course curriculum, covering web/desktop applications, machine learning, statistics, deep learning, data cleansing, SQL, Python programming, and data visualization. You'll get hands-on experience using tools like Pandas, MS Excel, and Power BI to make learning practical and applicable. Program benefits. Participants receive a certificate of recognition and expert guidance upon completion. Our support extends beyond the program with technical assistance, comprehensive career support, and job placement assistance. Changing landscape of data science salaries in India. Projected salary trends for data scientists in India by 2023 suggest a range of Rs. 5 to 7 lakhs for entry-level positions, while experienced professionals can anticipate earning up to Rs. 20 lakhs per annum. These figures mirror the growing demand for proficient data science professionals in the job market.